Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can liquify on Pixlr. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Pixlr photo editor. So the first thing that you need to do guys is click on create new and then choose a resolution that you want. I'm gonna choose this one and click on create. So once you're here, go to the right side of your screen and the layers, click on this little plus icon and then click on image. Once you click on image, choose any image that you want to add from your PC. And then once you add it, you can resize it. And once you finish resizing it, go to the left side of your screen, and then right here you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to edit your image. So here, search for Liquify. You're gonna find it right here. So this option, you can grow, shrink, and push parts of the image. Use Liquify to make subtle adjustments to portraits and other images. So go ahead and click here. There is also a shortcut on the keyboard for this option, which is Q. If you click on Q, you can have the Liquify menu. After you click on Liquify, make sure you select the layer of the image. And then right here, you're going to find method. So there is the push, enlarge, shrink, swirl to right, swirl left. And here you're going to find restore. From here, you can change the size, change the strength, and lastly the density. And here you can view high quality preview. So for example, I'm gonna choose push and then go to any place right here. For example, this one. So I'm gonna change the size a little bit. So as you can see guys, from here you can push, and if you want, you can also see here enlarge. There's the enlarge option. There is also the shrink option. You can shrink it, for example, from here. And here you can swirl to the right or to the left. And lastly, here you can restore. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.